To buy PANDAS token, we have to go on the Buy PANDAS token page. You can click on this link or go through the menu options. Before conversion, keep in mind that you cannot convert all the Waves tokens because it requires 0. something amount of Wave token to perform transaction on the Wave network. To understand more about it, we will test to exchange only one token for now. You can see we have successfully exchanged tokens. Let's open the profile and we can have 0.5 pandas. And although we have selected only one token for exchange, you notice the remaining amount is 0.991. That means the 0.001 amount is used for the transaction. So thus, we can buy PANDAS token on the platform. Now, as we have both Wave tokens and the PANDAS token, we are ready to play on the platform.